Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to today's session of Foetron Cloud Academy. In today's session, I will be showing you how you can integrate OneDrive with Planner and how you can utilize both in a very productive manner. So OneDrive is a cloud storage provided by Microsoft in Office 365 suite, and Planner is a task management application which is available inside the Office 365 suite. So let's head to the application where I'll be showing you how you can integrate both and make use of the same. So Planner is part of the Office 365 suite, so you need to go to the portal. From there you can access the Planner by clicking on the Planner icon and you will be getting a. So friends, with Planner you will be able to make task management easy with your colleagues or your teammates, and you will be getting a Planner hub like the one that you see on my screen. So this is the Planner hub. Here I'll just select the task, for example the plan that I want to show you, that would be the Foetron video generation plan, and in this you will be seeing that there are multiple tasks that are aligned here with me. So to show you how Outlook integration works with Planner's video task is that I'll just click on a task here. I'll go to the add attachments part. So when I click on the add attachment part, it will show me three type of link attachment part. So one is from a SharePoint, one is as a file, one would be the link of the file. So when I click on the file part, it will open me and it will provide me with an option to take access of my OneDrive files. So here you can see that there are multiple files which are shown from my OneDrive. I'll click on the demonstration group. I'll add a PowerPoint document here and I'll click on open. So you can see that this file is getting attached from my OneDrive to the Planner task that I'm adding it to. So in this way the integration between Microsoft Planner and OneDrive is available. In this way you can also add your favorite task and get documents attached in respect to them. I hope friends this has been a very useful and informative session for you. To get to know more tips and tricks on Microsoft Office 365, head on to our Foetron Academy on YouTube. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.